This video will be going over Robinhood, why I think it's a really strong stock right now and you should be watching it. So earlier this year in April, the stock was at $30 and had this huge, strong advance all the way up to about $112 without a real consolidation. So almost about a 4x without a strong consolidation. And then we started to consolidate, form this type of VCP pattern where it's almost like a cup and handle, but then the handle's on top. But really what makes the VCP pattern special and specific is that the depth and the width of each like basing pattern gets smaller, generally by about half. So as we can see, the first retracement was 18.5%, and then the second retracement was 9% and only about 7 days long. So way shorter time, so way shorter width and way shorter depth, about half the depth and about 1/4 the width. And then it made another T, as Mark Minervini calls them, another retracement for about 7% for about 3 days or so. So yeah, just continuing to tighten up on the depth and the width of the retracements. And then today, price action has had a very strong breakout with a plus 12% day on the stock. Here, plus 12% from yesterday. And the volume's at 61 million shares traded today, and the average across 50 days is 49 million. So we had a breakout today from this VCP on strong volume, on a strong price advance, plus 12%. So there's definitely a good chance that we see another really strong run, similar to what happened when it broke out of this cup and handle, where it just kind of no brakes, only gas, only foot on the pedal, just kind of flew to the moon. So it's definitely something to watch out for. It's got one of the highest relative strengths. It's got 98 relative strength IBD rating. The earnings are plus 100% earnings per share and plus over 40% sales growth, and really good tax margins as well. So really all around, Robinhood is a super performance stock from its technicals to its fundamentals. And with this VCP breakout, it's kind of like the cherry on top of why you should really be watching this and be aware of this potential move that could be happening in Robinhood. That's about all for this video. I hope you found value. Thanks for watching.